Hello mga kasalo! Columbarium. Did you know, isa ito sa pinaka-main source of funds para sa pagpapagawa ng ating simbahan? Ano-ano nga ba ang benefits at advantages sa pagkuha nito? Panoorin po natin ito.
So, nag-decide po yung family namin mag-purchase ng columbarium kasi tinitingnan po namin ito as an opportunity to give back to the church, to our parish. Marami namang opportunities to give back, donations, and also in cash or in kind. But the columbarium we felt was a unique way na makahelp kami to make our parish's dream church a reality. And also something that our family could use, especially it's for 99 years. And even in, in the afterlife, you know that your family, the souls of your family is being prayed for sa bawat misa doon sa columbarium. So, and then at the same time, we also wanted to take the opportunity na mag-purchase ng maaga habang marami pang slots na available, so you can pick your location, how high the columbarium that you want is, and then the specific place that you want within the columbarium. So that was a great opportunity, especially knowing na the more na patapos na, baka tumaas yung demand at magkaubusan na rin. Especially, we're at a very nice location. We're near EK, and then we're surrounded by residential areas. So it's really a premium location for our church. Hello po mga taga-Sanlo, ako po si Bernice, na inaanyayahan ko po kayo na mag-avail ng ating parish columbarium as soon as possible so that we can help build our dream church and turn our donations into privileged use.
Building of our dream church, the best resting place for our dearly departed ones. Daily masses will be offered for them. Viewing glass from the altar signifies their communion with us, the living. For more details, our columbarium volunteers are very much willing to have a chat with you, and of course, our secretariat at the old church. The San Lorenzo Ruiz Parish Church Construction. Be part of it. Act now, donate now, and be blessed. God bless everyone.
And there you have it mga kasanlo, our parish columbarium. Kami po ay umaasa sa patuloy ninyong pagsuporta sa pamamagitan ng pag-avail o pag-alok sa inyong mga kakilala ng ating parish columbarium. Ako po si Chantal Llanes. God bless everyone. Maraming salamat po.